Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Rink Chic, and I'm happy that you tuned in today. This is my Halloween bar cart. I'm a part of the collaboration, the Halloween Bar Cart Collaboration Challenge, hosted by Joan, Broadie, and Crafty Kitty. Now the rules for this bar cart were to have a skull, bat, or a spider on it on the bar cart, and we need to have colors purple, green, or orange. These are traditional Halloween colors, and a drink or a treat. Now here, I'll start at the center. This centerpiece I made with, it has a beautiful little blinged out spider. You see that on these tongs. And these black and purple florals. They have an eyeball and a spiders in them. And it has that witch please sign, which I love. Witch please. We're not dealing with no craziness. You come at me with some craziness, I'm saying witch please. And this beautiful jeweled, what is it called? Those black widow spiders. I had to think for a minute there. And these potion jars, they're so pretty. I love them. And they have a skull on them. And the smoky glass wine goblets, I put these ring spiders on the stem there. They all came from Dollar Tree. And over here we have our witch's brew. We have our Happy Halloween, our witch's potion. And back there it says, I'm a bad witch. I'm a bad witch spirits. That comes from the Bad Witch Distillery. Okay, we have that. That's the top level. And then our Cheers, which is cocktail napkins. Then down below we have our pumpkin on top of my deco mesh garland that I made. That's my DIY. We have some more wine for those that can't handle the witch's potion. We have some domestic wines there and some black pillar candles. And again, this pumpkin like punk rock. Pumpkin is on a silver pedestal stand. And then I have my black Mikasa goblets that are vintage. They're 30 years old, and everyone talked about me when I was a young bride wanting some black goblets, some black dishes, but they came in handy. There's 30 years later. You know, I like to say that. I like to keep my stuff. Okay, so this is Halloween Bar Cart. And I want to thank Joan, Broadie, and Crafty Kitty for hosting this collaboration. And links to their channels will be listed in my description box. So guys, thank you so much for viewing. And this was fun. And I'll speak to you later in my next video. And I appreciate your support. Don't hesitate to like, comment, share, and subscribe, new people. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye. Witch, please.